traders, this is Alla Peters on December 4th. I would like to give you an update on BMW and Daimler because of all the events and all the tariffs and taxes and the events in White House today. If there's anything to be excited when it comes to BMW and Daimler, absolutely not. Price reached Fibonacci reversal zone, market dancing in correction, sellers remain in charge. This means nothing. If there is a reason to rush and pull a trigger randomly and buy BMW, absolutely not. The only reason right now is to be on standby for potential reversal. We're at Fibonacci reversal zone where market skyrocketed from in 2017. However, we're not seeing anything excited yet. This is when market will test you to the core of your knowledge of price action. There is potential, but nothing yet. Market in correction. Sellers simply taking a pause, and market had been in correction for the last 2 months. So, sellers are tired and buyers are weak. Be on standby. No rally of any kind on BMW yet. Here's Daimler in drastically different place. Daimler collapsed from Fibonacci reversal zone as expected, currently sitting at key Fibonacci support with worthless buyers. Sellers simply taking a pause. Daimler has more space to the downside, but this is a range. Daimler in pain. What is a smart thing to do? Be on sidelines. Be on standby. What would be lovely to see? Daimler at reversal zone. 3740 would be a beautiful place to be. For now, Daimler in pain. Just like BMW, nothing to rave about. S&P in front of you right now, almost in exact same place where Daimler is. What is the difference? Risk management and trader psychology. Shock or not? We knew extremely well the only option is short. We knew extremely well this is not the place to buy. We knew extremely well this morning buyers were weak, time and time again, as confirmed by key Fibonacci resistance. Right now, let's pay attention and see if buyers will step in, just like they did on Daimler. It's all the same. The only difference, risk management and trader psychology. And that remains the same. And if buyers step in, you are not surprised, because this is your key target on any instrument you trade. If you are trading large lot size, you're protecting your profits. You are moving your stop outside of break-even. Knowledge is power. Nothing else was possible in this market. And that is where your quality comes from, no matter what you trade. If you trade Daimler, if you trade Netflix, whatever you trade, it's all the same. Shock or not. Identical levels. Very different risk management. Trail very, very carefully. But again, no one should be surprised where selling pressure coming from. It's a reversal zone, traders, not a place to buy. That pure and that simple, no matter what you trade. No matter if it's Apple selling off despite stunning earnings. No matter if it's Facebook selling off before scandal even played out. No matter if it's Google selling off from reversal zone and rallying from reversal zone. As expected, it's all the same. And again, we're not surprised. Buyers were extremely weak. Remember this? That was the problem. Remember this, that was the problem. Knowledge is power. So right now S&P reached reversal zone. Everyone seeing this? Is S&P is going to rally just like Netflix had done, just like Google had done? This is very important place, not the place to short near. Knowledgeable trader adjusting his trail. Clear on that? And if I remind you how crucial this support was on little junky short-term chart, ladies and gentlemen, this is key institutional support on S&P. Shock or not. Where price been frozen this entire year. This support is out, price will do the exact same thing as S&P had finally done this morning. And when price will do that, you will be prepared. Hand holding never a recipe for success. Knowledge is. So here's the price reached Fibonacci reversal zone. Everyone seeing this? Market finding support. Nothing meaningful, nothing exciting yet. There is potential, but nothing yet. Knowledgeable trader simply paying attention. Knowledgeable trader waiting for the rules to be met. Knowledgeable trader not pulling a trigger randomly, ever. Ever. It's only a correction, no reversal of any kind. Only a pause. This is fixed now, traders. VIX frozen at key, Fibonacci resistance, exact same place you saw S&P collapse from today. Poor VIX, in a lot of pain for the last 2 weeks. So if you would like to join us, how to, in any of Fibonacci Mastery courses, to learn how to apply Fibonacci tool, please identify what course is appropriate for you. You can start with foundations or you can dive right into mastery, where you master this proprietary Fibonacci tool, proprietary Fibonacci strategies, and you keep this knowledge with you forever, as you can install this tool on any platform of your choice. And if you come to the website and you review the details about every one of these courses, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me at 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. But more than likely, you will see all your questions answered in testimonies from students who trading different instruments on different time frames, different account size, different platforms. From beginner to hedge fund trader. You can listen to Facebook reviews, or you can listen to student podcasts. Sorry, been teaching a little too much. Thank you, traders. Look forward to hearing from you.